pair of pruning shears from the company PrunePro. How about that? Gardening tools. And just looking over the box here, it looks like it's adjustable wide opening to trim branches of different sizes. Precision ground steel blades, low friction, safety lock, easy spring. You know what? Let's just open these things up and see what we get. Well, these look really good. They look like they're packaged right here. There's the pruning shears themselves. Oh, you get a couple extra springs. So if your springs go flying, you can always do that. And you get one glove. So how about that? A pruning glove. So we'll put the glove on. And the glove actually fits me. A lot of these gloves don't ever fit me. And it looks like there's the lock mechanism there. Oh, I see why they give you extra springs. If for whatever reason you lose that spring, you got two extras right there. Oh, here's the extra sizing. So if I want to go super wide, I can go like that. Or if I just want to kind of very small little kind of cuts, we'll do that. So we'll start with a little small one, cut some little trim limbs that I have over here, then we'll open it wide and we'll cut something bigger. Okay, first off, let's cut some little stuff here. Let's see how it works with this. All these things work great. Look at that, everybody. So that's on the low setting. Let's open them as wide as we can get them. Now I think I have some wider stuff right over here. So you see there's some wide things growing up. Watch this, just barely going right through. That cuts very smoothly, everybody. Look at that. I see no issues with these things at all. Oh yeah, I'm going to be using these amongst my travels, that's for sure. See how I can I'm going to leave this one. I'm not going to cut it completely down, but I'm just going to cut some of the stuff off of it. Wow, these things work great. Everybody, these are very smooth action. They feel good in the hands. They have a little bit of grip right here, and it grips right into your thumb area there. And they have this lock, and they have a lanyard part on the back. So I see no issues with these things at all. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got for the PrunePro, garden pruners. See you all in the next video.